prepositions. Okay, it's made by two words, that is pre and position. Okay, preposition means we place the preposition before the noun or pronoun. Okay, so see, a preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun and establish the positional relation with other words in the sentence. Okay, now see the example over here. He is sitting on he is sitting on chair. See now, yes, see the example. He is sitting on a chair. Okay, see, he is sitting on a chair. The ball went across the boundary. She committed the mistake in spite of great care. Okay, here there are some prepositions which are see, on, across, and in spite. In spite of, these are the prepositions. Okay, so see the position of the prepositions also. Okay, and see the relations also. Now see types of preposition. Simple preposition: on, onto, in, into, to, from, by. Okay, then compound preposition also I explain you. Okay, among, between, about, besides, across, and before. Then phrasal preposition: due to, in spite. See, due to, in spite, it is a phrase. In spite of, it is also phrase. In front of, in addition to. So these are the phrasal prepositions. Okay, now uses of some important preposition. First one is in. See, what is the use of in? To show a stationary position inside a premise. Okay, or it is used with some part of the day, month, seasons, and year. Okay, first one is to show a stationary position inside the premise. See, I am in the room. Okay, see, in the room. See, it's telling us position inside, means he is inside the room. Okay, she is in the class. Where she is in the class. So in is used to show a stationary position inside a premise. Okay, now to show the names of a big countries, cities, or areas. See, I live in India. Mayuri lives in Mumbai. Okay, I live in Badlapur. To show the names of a big countries, cities, or areas. Okay, so this is the uses of in. To show time or the seasons, yes, or the parts of the days, months, season, or years, and to show the occupations and the activities. Okay, Chitra was born in July. In the morning, in summer. Okay, that here also we can use. In a week, in 8 hours also we can use. Okay, now to show the occupation and the activities. He works in a plastic factory. He works in a MIDC. Okay, means to show the occupations and activities. She is busy in cooking. Cooking is an activity. Okay, she is busy in cooking. So these all are the uses of in. See, first one, to show the stationary position inside the premise. Okay, to show the name of a big countries, cities, or areas. Okay, then to show time or the seasons. To show the occupations and the activities. Yes, he is busy in painting. Now see, the second one is into. See, into, it show the movement that is directly inwards. Okay, means Hari jumped into the river. Yes, it shows the moment that is directed inwards. Okay, see, this is the use. Then to show the change in state of something, milk is converted into curd. Okay, means here into we use when one thing is changing in other. Otherwise, one is movement towards interior. Okay, means someone is going interior. So at the time we use into. Okay, milk is converted into curd, cheese is modified into cheese pakoda, sir jump into the well. Okay, means here into denotes movement towards interior. Now next one is at. See, at to show time and definite place. It's a very important because every time we use at and we confuse here. Okay, so it is used with definite point of time. It is also used with the festivals. Okay, I live in Mandavali. Uh, yes, yes, at Dashra, at Diwali, at Eid. Okay, see, it shows us definite place or time. I get up at 7 a.m. Means see, definite time show that wake up on 7. Okay, she was at the conference. At the conference, definite place where she's at the conference. Okay, so use before colony, village, or smaller areas. In at means see here. See here about in we use for the big countries to show the name of big countries, cities, or area. Okay, but at where we use to show the colony, village, or smaller areas. Okay, at we use before colony, small areas, and villages. I live at Mandavli in Delhi. Okay, she studied at Pitampura. See, these are the small areas. So here we can use at. Now to show the rate. Okay, mango is sold at 60 a kilogram. Milk is sold at 50 a liter. Okay, means to show the rate, to show some special place. Okay, BJP headquarters is at Feroz Shah Road. Bal Bhavan is at DDU Marg. So these are the uses of the at preposition. Okay, now next one is on. On where we use to show the position of the object. It is on the table, on the chair, on the floor. Okay, it is used before a day and date. On Independence Day, on 14th January, on Thursday. Okay, so it's to show the position of the object and use before day and date. Now next one is upon. Yes, upon means this is the preposition which show a movement which is directed upward. Which is directed upward. It is used when the moment of keeping on it is in progress. Upon the table. Okay, she fell upon him. Buses move upon the hilly roads. This is the use of upon. Now to. To refers the destination. Okay, to refers the ending point of the action also. To which which show the change in place. Mahi goes to school. Maninder went to Shimla. Okay, means it this two shows the change in place. It shows the consequences. Yes, consequence. The building is thrashed to ash. Yes, it is a consequence. She brought the goodness to the society. Here we use, see what is the use of the preposition to refers the destination. I am going to school. I am going to Oxford University. Okay. For show the time also. Yes, for show the time also. It is 5 minutes to 9. It is just a day to Sunday. Okay. To compare two nouns or pronoun. She is junior to me. Here we use to. Now next one is from. To show the source of something. Yes. From we use to show the source of something. Milk comes from cow. Means cow is the source of milk. I love the verses from Macbeth. Okay. So here we use from. Okay. Now positional relation. Mohit had come from the school. Yes, aliens come from this. Come from the space. See, use of the from to show positional relation and to show a point of time. She has been reading from morning to evening. See, in uh, perfect continuous tense. Here also we use from. Okay, from morning to evening. Now see, next one is between. Between we use to talk about two nouns or pronoun are available. Okay. Distribute the fruits between Ram and Hari. So see, between is used to talk about two nouns or pronouns which are available. Now among. Among the people. Okay. See, it is used when position is to be shown and there are more than two nouns or pronouns. Among, it is used for more than two persons or items. Okay, between is used only for the two nouns or pronouns, but among is used for more than two person or atoms. Okay, I distributed the apples. See, apples means more than one apple is here. I distribute the apples among the children. Government had decided to go among the public. Okay, now next one is before. Before is used to show the order of the two or more events that has taken place one after another. Okay, two events, two actions. See, I came here before you. Okay, here there are two actions. I came here before you, then the minister resigned before the tenure. Okay, means see here there are two events, two actions that has taken place one after another. So here we use before. Now next one is about. Okay, so about we use to show the nearness and it is used to describe or to say something. Okay, to show the nearness also and to describe something. Now see, the boy is saying about the picture. Okay, means here there is a description about the picture. Very good. Host come before co-host. Okay, now about. I was about to go where sir came. Now next one is due to. So due to is used to show the reason of a consequence. Okay, his absence is due to heavy rain. Because of heavy rain, he can't go. Okay, he is absent. So see, due to is show the reason of consequence. Okay, his failure is due to his poverty. Now, otherwise we can say his failure is due to his illness. Now next one is in spite of. Okay, in spite of, it is a phrasal preposition. It is used when an action was done with the condition that were unfavorable. Yes, with the unfavorable condition we use in spite of. Okay, see the example. In spite of his poverty, he managed to educate himself. Okay, in spite of his poverty means it is unfavorable condition. he managed to educate himself. Okay, it is used when an action was done with the condition that were unfavorable. So poverty is the unfavorable condition, but he was done his action. Okay, he educate himself, he educate himself. He came here in spite of his busy schedule. Okay, now see, next one is in front of. Yes, in front of, same uses of before. Okay, to show the position of a noun, pronoun when it is opposite to the other noun or pronoun. Yes, in front of theater, in front of garden. His office is in front of theater, means these are in opposite directions, both are in opposite to each other. Okay, his office is in front of theater, the post office is in front of temple, the post office is in front of temple, or we can say my home is in front of school. Okay, this is all about the in front of. Some more prepositions like yes, down. Okay, so down we used to down we refers to the coming down. Okay, we ran down the slope. Okay, now up also is the preposition, refers to motion of a higher place, up, down. Okay, down refers to coming down, and yes, which one? Up refers to motion to a higher places. He climbed up the stairs. Now, next one is the off. Yes, off means due to, he died of cancer, or pertaining to. Okay, he often boasts of himself. Now, next one is behind, means at the back of. Behind is also the preposition behind. My home is behind the temple, behind the school. Okay, it means at the back of. Now, after refers the sequence. He come after me, along. Yes, along refers, or it stands for in the same line. He walked along the river side. He walked along the road. Okay, means in the same line. Okay, he walked along the same line. Okay, now against show the opposition. Okay, against show the opposition, or pressure, it show the pressure. Now next one is towards. Yes, towards, it show the direction, it refers the direction. I am going towards school. So this is all about the prepositions which we have learned today. Okay, students.